myself. I am Prolin as narrator. I am Aina as Devilanja, the protector of rivers and seas. I am Amin as Daisy, the goddess of ice. Long, long time ago, in the land of East Java, there were two magical women. They were not queens, but they were loved by the people. Their names were Dewi Sri, the goddess of frogs, and Dewi Lanja, the protector of rivers and the sea. Together, they helped the people live in peace and harmony with nature. Leaders play just time and night. You will feed the people and make them happy. And hello, sister. I brought water from the river to play on a stream, just like the people do. Then they went there. You always care for the people, and you always care for the land. Together we care for everything. One day, something bad happened. People start to fight over water and rice. Like a show, they were nature. The land became dry, the rivers became dirty. Look at the river, sister. It is full of stress. The fish are gone, and the rice fields are there. People waste food, they don't say thank you. We must remind them. Yes, with a song and a promise. Children, do you eat rice every day? Do you drink clean water every day? Say thank you to nature. Then read and value sharing others. And so, the people listened to Dewi Sri and Dewi Lanja. They cleaned the rivers and cared for the land. The rice field turned green again. The river flowed with life. From that day on, every harvest season, people sing a song to thank goddess. Maybe, if you listen closely to the wind in the rice field or the waves in the river, you can still hear